Hi, I'm Keiran from Bukit View Secondary School. I've gone to Writers at Work classes for 9 years now. I first started going to Writers at Work since I was primary 2. I think one key aspect that I will miss from Writers at Work classes is the opportunities that we had to compete in small games where we could earn, for example, drinks or lesser homework. I also feel that this also allows us to compete in small groups, which allow us to make friends as well. I think the most unique thing about Writers at Work classes is the way that classes are taught, which encouraged me to not slack off because of how the classroom environment is so productive for learning. It's the time where we had the opportunity to do an in-house test in preparation for O-level. This examination allowed us to prepare and let us get a grasp of how O-levels could be. Furthermore, this examination showed off the silly mistakes that we could make, and we were grateful that we had the opportunity to go through with the teacher so that we will not make the same mistakes when O-level started. An essay called Making Mistakes. This essay argues about how making mistakes can be essential for success, as we are all human beings and we are prone to making mistakes, usually get criticized whenever we do something wrong, for example, passing the ball to the enemy football team or miscalculating a math question. However, this essay made me feel otherwise, as it helped me to realize that making mistakes may not necessarily be a bad thing, but in fact could lead us to success, could be an important factor of whether we become successful or not, as we will not be able to make such mistakes again. The comprehension, because I always lose marks from silly mistakes in comprehension. How Writers at Work helped me to overcome this challenge is by giving us many comprehension practices to ensure that we know what type of questions are being tested. On top of that, they even give us comprehensions that we had did before to ensure that we learn from our past mistakes and understood the material being taught. Yes, I do feel that it is important to write well, as writing well could be an essential criteria for our future job. Furthermore, I also do feel that writing well is important as we do it on a daily basis. Due to the numerous topics our English teacher had to cover, she sometimes was not able to go through fully some essays in depth. So I am happy that Writers at Work teachers taught us the essays fully and made sure that the skills and topics are explained better. Due to the time constraints and big class size, sometimes the teacher was not able to answer each and every one of our questions. In Writers at Work, due to the small class size, whenever I had doubts or was curious about something related to comprehension, the teacher was able to answer all our questions.